Hi friends, I'm Sarah and today we're going to do an unboxing of Brother's new top-of-the-line combo machine, the Aveneer. So let me get this beast of a machine in here. So this is like a piece of furniture. It's massive. It was delivered on a pallet. It is quite a big box. I'm gonna get my box cutter and we'll cut into it. So because I am a Brother educator, Brother has sent me this machine so that I can start using it and getting acclimated to it. That way I will be prepared when I hit the road for events and trainings and when I do live streams to tell you all about the machine. So in this video, we are just going to open it up. I'll show you what's inside and that'll be that for the unboxing of Brother's new EV1 Aveneer. Let's get started. So right off the top here, I have the box for my wide table. I just packaged this in with the machine when I had it shipped out to me. So this is not normally going to be in the Aveneer box. What will normally be in the box is you have your embroidery unit right here. There are two handles to pull that baby out. And then there is a box right here, which I'll take out first. This has your power cord. It has your instruction manuals. This is your couching guide, accessory. I know you can't see it, it's all bubble wrapped, but here we go. Your couching guide. The Aveneer has one couching guide. The Brother Luminaire, the previous top-of-the-line model, had two couching guides, one for sewing and one for embroidery. The Aveneer now has only one couching guide that's used for sewing and embroidery. You have your magnetic scanning frame, your knee lifter, your stylus is in here. I put mine in my accessory box, but your stylus will come in this top portion. You have your wonderful accessory box. Do that. ASMR. So this will open up. And you've got all your lovely presser feet, all your beautiful accessories. So here's where I put my stylus. You will have to put a battery in this to get the light working. And it has that lovely little spot in your accessory box. You have the multi-position screwdriver, all your feet. And these trays come out, so you have more accessories underneath. You have your move it foot. Let's see. all those like fun little extra things. Screwdrivers, an eyelet punch, your thread spool nets, little snips, extra needles, your bobbin clips, extra bobbins, extra throat plate, all that good stuff right in there. Now I said move it foot, but there is no move it foot in here. You have an extra throat plate. You have the new ISR foot. This is for the stitch regulator for free motion sewing and quilting. She is very cute and little, and she plugs in just like the Move It foot or the W Plus foot, if you're familiar with those, because the sensor on the bottom is powered by plugging it into the machine. And then you have your ISR feet. And here is where your Move It foot lives. So you get your Move It foot. It's just not, it doesn't come in the accessory box. It comes in this nice little foam tray. Okay, I'm gonna set this tray aside. Make sure to clear a whole bunch of space when you're opening up your Aveneer. And now let's take out the embroidery unit box. So 2 handles, lifts all the way up. Ooh. And normally normally it will open from this shorter end, but for the Aveneer, they designed the embroidery attachment box to open at the top like this, which makes it a lot easier to get this out. So we love that. So right on the top here, you have your big new frame. This is your 11 5/8 by I hit my fan. 11 5/8 by 18 1/4 inch frame right on the top. You have your 10 5/8 by 10 5/8 frame. I was playing around. I have some fabric in there. You have your 5 by 7 frame and your 4 by 4. So those are the 4 frames. Your scanning frame, magnetic scanning frame that we saw, and then you have your 11 5/8 by 18 1/4, your 10 5/8 by 10 5/8, 5 by 7, and 4 by 4 frames all come included with the machine. All right, so get these to fit back in. So once you take that top foam piece off that has all of your hoops, I'm going to set that aside. Now you have your embroidery unit. Whoa! So this unit is pretty heavy. I would say a little bit heavier than the Luminaire was. It's definitely a little bit bigger. They've redesigned it slightly. The shape of the arm is definitely, let's try and hold it up. The shape of the arm is a little bit different as well. So be careful when you're lifting that. Be gentle with her. In here we also have our support table. This attaches to the back of the machine to support the 18-inch hoop because it's quite big. That is included. We also have Our embroidery little stabilizer roll comes in the box. And we have a spool of 60 weight embroidery bobbin thread. Okay, I'm going to put this embroidery unit box aside. I have my wide table, but please know that this is an optional accessory that you need to purchase because I'm a brother educator. I was given the wide table with my machine. This will not come in the box with your Aveneer. This is an optional accessory to purchase, but you can see it is a really beautiful work area, and because this machine has the amazing free motion stitching with the ISR foot, it is definitely recommended if you plan on using that feature to buy the optional wide table, because it gives you a huge, nice, smooth, flat surface to be able to easily maneuver your quilts or whatever you are free motion stitching on. It has a home for your knee lifter, so your knee lifter can actually fit right inside. And then it has little legs that pop up like that, so you can put it on your table. So optional wide table, not included with the Aveneer. Last but certainly not least, we have our machine box. So there are two big pieces of foam. And one piece of foam is going to be a lot heavier than the other because there are some extra goodies attached to this piece of foam. So we have our sewing attachment in here. If you want to go from embroidery mode to sewing mode, you can leave your embroidery arm attached and it serves as a wide work area. But if you prefer, you can always attach your sewing attachment here. And I have always loved that the sewing attachment comes with extra storage. So it actually opens up and there are two compartments here in the front and the back. So this is where the machine goes. And then in the front and the back, you have two extra compartments for storage. You can put whatever you want in there, your snips, extra bobbins, really fun. I love a little surprise storage. And we also have our multifunction foot controller in this piece of styrofoam. So we have the main pedal, we have the side pedal, and then you have the hardware to attach both of them. All right, setting this aside. So, are you ready to see the machine? I am going to move the box slightly so it'll be easier for me to pull it out and put it on the table because it does have some weight to it, just like the Luminaire did. So I'm going to turn the box. I'm going to hold it by the top handle. Woo! And straight away, I'm going to attach the embroidery unit. Okay, let's get this box out of the way and I'll give you a close-up look at my new Aveneer. Here she is, the beautiful Aveneer EV1 sewing embroidery combo machine, Brother's new top of the line, unboxed, ready to be plugged in and put to work. Thanks for watching this unboxing video. Check out my channel for other Brother sewing and embroidery machine unboxing videos and sergers. Don't forget the sergers. And let me know if you have any questions about what is included with the Aveneer. I hope to have some more videos very soon about Brother's new Aveneer. And of course, follow Brother Sews. They do Facebook Lives every week. And we are definitely going to be showing some really fun features of the Aveneer on there. And follow me on Instagram, SAV_NYC, to see where I'm traveling next. Hopefully I'm coming to a city near you for a Brother event. And I hope to see you soon.